Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada. And happy November. I wanted to pop in to share a brand new collection that is available to customers now. It's called the Fitting Florets Collection. And there's several items, and you can order it as a collection or you can order it individually, so the individual pieces. So we've got the bundle, which is called the Framed Florets bundle. So there's this beautiful stamp set. I always love stamp sets with a combination of fonts for greetings. And then these amazing dies, which have dies that will coordinate with some of the images, but then these fabulous ovals that layer beautifully. And this bundle will carry over. You'll find it in the next mini catalog that begins in January. So these two items will carry over, but are available now. However, these other three items are only available while supplies last. Okay, so they've designed this framed and festive holiday greeting set, which works beautifully with these oval dies. And the other thing that I've done is I've actually combined it with some of the images in here, because if you color these in kind of Christmas colors, you can get away with making Christmas florals. So this is fun. I love, love, love the fonts in this greeting set. Then there are these gold adhesive back swirls, these really pretty swirls, and then the DSP. Okay, let's just talk about this pattern right here. So pretty. So there is a die that will cut out these particular images here. So these ones here. The rest there are no dies for. You can fussy cut those if you want. I spent a little bit of time fussy cutting almost an entire page because I just love it so much. And then there's some patterns that can be used for holiday crafting as well. So this one is beautiful. This one just reminds me of a winter birthday. We've got another floral here. This one again could be holiday themed. And then that one. And then the back sides, we've got this beautiful evening evergreen gingham. So more smaller patterns, a little bit more generic, that combine beautifully with the more floral patterns. All right, so Laura and I have designed this month's class to go around this collection. So what is included is you'll get half a package of this DSP, you'll get a package of the swirls, and you'll get a spool of ribbon. Now it will either be this, what is this, satin edged ribbon in gold, or this gold shimmer ribbon. This is on low inventory, so if it becomes not available, then you'll get this one as a backup. Okay, I just wanted to qualify that. So you get all of these plus the card kits for 6 cards using these products here. So you will need to have these products on hand. Now, if you did not want to necessarily order this one, if you have some sort of holiday greeting, then you could get away with that. All right. The cost of that is $45. I can ship anywhere in Canada for an extra $5. Just a note that if shipping is required, then I do need to cut the DSP down to 6 by 12, but that's not going to affect your projects at all. Okay, I'll share a peek at the 6 projects in a minute. You'll also receive the PDF, which includes photos, measurements, a full supply list, and links to videos that show you how to put these together. Okay, so that is option number 1. Option number 2, if you don't yet have these products, you can order the entire collection, the Fitting Florets Collection, for $134.75. Make sure that you use the host code that is tied to this class, and I will send you the class for free, as well as one of the 2 ribbons, absolutely free, as a thank you to you. All right, you'll also receive an email with the PDF, and the kits will go out in the mail to you along with your spool of ribbon. All right, then if you are part of my Treasure Stampers team, you can request the tutorial absolutely free. And if you would like the pre-cut card kits, because I know some people like to have the kits cut for you, then it's $15. And just a note that that will not include the DSP, so you'll have to have the DSP on hand. Okay, and then for anybody who's outside of Canada, if you want to participate, I do have a tutorial option, and I will link where you can purchase that tutorial in the description below. All right, so you ready for a little peek at the projects? So I have 5 of the 6 projects designed here. So we've got a Christmas one, we've got this one, which is a little bit of a fun fold, this one, and this one, and there is one additional card that I didn't have a chance to create that Laura designed. As far as additional supplies, you will need some way to color in your florals. Now, we have used Stampin' Blends, so we've used a combination of these colors. So we've got Night of Navy, we've got Balmy Blue, Soft Succulent, and Sweet Sorbet. But you can use any combination of colors, and if you want to watercolor them, you could do that as well. We've also used a black Stampin' Write marker and a Sweet Sorbet Stampin' Write marker. Again, you could switch that out for any red. So you'll need those. And then the only ink pads that we've used are Balmy Blue, Night of Navy, and Memento. And again, if you're not coloring in with blends, then you could switch that to StazOn if you wanted. And then a blue blending brush. All right, so I hope that you guys decide to participate in this class. The deadline to register, I will post a link to all the information below, but the deadline to register is November 10th. And you are going to love these projects, and this collection is such a beautiful collection. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.